Hi everybody, it's David here at Stops Are In, my video blog. Hope you've had a great trading day. I tried a new tactic today called lock and reload. Essentially taking some profits off the table and then very quickly re-entering position and building my position back to its original size again. Same day. In the case of today, it was within the space of 5 or 10 minutes. The idea being lock some profit into my account, but then stay in the trade and hopefully stay with the trend. So ideally I don't want to be out of the position too long if I'm expecting, in this case, more bearish momentum. What I didn't know at first how to do was where do I exit and where do I re-enter, bearing in mind that I'm looking to do it relatively quickly, although I suppose that would be superseded by in a logical fashion. So what I did was I drew in some trend lines that I felt might be important on the daily, and took a look to see if they would have any significance on the intraday play today. I'm short in this position, and this is gold, and what I saw was obviously we had this fairly quick downward move, and then I watched this happen and I'm licking my lips and I'm planning to buy the new Ferrari and all the rest, and let's not back to reality. And what I saw happening here was this is a former support or resistance line. I don't have them. It's just a support resistance line. And what I saw was it very quickly price recovered. So what I did here was took 40% of my position off the table. So now what I'm looking for is a manner of getting back into the trade. So now I'm interested in this support or resistance line here. Which is it going to be? And what I also did was, let me just bring in a Fibonacci line here. I drew in some fib lines between today's decline, and what I noticed is this support line coincided with this Fibonacci line. So now I'm getting very interested to see if this was in fact hold. And of course I was also watching volume, which was going this way as we were making our retrace. So I re-entered 40%. So I brought my position back to its original size, just around here. I didn't quite get the peak or whatever else, but that wasn't really what I was interested in. How I manage this going forward, what I decided then to do is I placed a protective stop up here to take me 40% back out of the trade if in fact it was just above here. It was just above this base. Take me out of the position by 40% if there is in fact an intraday rally. So I've taken some profit off the table, and I've exposed myself to more potential profit but more potential risk to a portion of the trade, and I want to get back out of that really quickly if I've been wrong to re-enter. In any event, it never got back above this line, and just before the close of play this evening, it broke this resistance line, and hopefully we get to find this one here tomorrow. So that is my take on lock and reload. If you have a different take, if you have comments, suggestions, if you have any ideas as to how I can do this better, I would love to hear from you. Thanks for watching.